Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your body and intention. Find a quiet space and sit comfortably. Close your eyes and do the breathing pattern 4 in, 4 hold, 6 out, 3 times to calm heart rate. Once done, state a single clear intention, what kind of vision you seek and why. Make sure to use present tense and a short direct sentence. This focuses your mind and primes associative memory. Maintain calm expectancy, not force, as you transition inward towards sensory impressions and imagery. You now move deeper. Do a quick body scan and relax areas of tension, neck, jaw, shoulders, so physical noise decreases. Once relaxed, pick an anchor, a candle flame, a blank wall, or a tiny mental image like a dot. Focus on that anchor until edges blur, then let ambient imagery appear. As images or colors arise, name them aloud. This stabilizes perception. When something shifts, follow its movement gently, avoid analyzing, and keep returning to your breath to sustain the state. You finish by capturing and grounding. As soon as the session ends, record what you saw, voice note or quick sketch, within 5 minutes because details fade rapidly. Then close, touch the floor, drink water, and name 3 concrete things in the room to reorient. If you felt nothing, troubleshoot by shortening your intention to one precise image and try again in 5-10 minutes. Make the session shorter and more frequent until subtle impressions grow. Repeat with patience and consistent timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.